Hi everyone, my name is Colin Williams. I help to coordinate the Library Technician program at Long Beach City College, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of things about our learning management system, Canvas. The Library Technician program is entirely online, so that means you'll be using Canvas quite a bit during your studies. How do you get to Canvas? Well, if you start at the homepage for the college, lbcc.edu, underneath Academics, you'll see Distance Learning at the bottom of the dropdown. Clicking on Distance Learning takes you into the Distance Learning page where you can look for the Learning Management System link. And that takes you to a button for Canvas. Now that you're on the home page for the Canvas login, use your ID number and the password that you created when you started as a student at LBCC. Welcome to the dashboard. It shows you all the different classes that you are enrolled in as a student at Long Beach City College. So this is where you will see the library technician classes that you're enrolled in. When you start the library technician program, you'll be enrolled in a shell of Canvas called Library Technicians. The Library Technicians shell is kind of like a digital homeroom. It's a place where all of the students and all of the professors are enrolled. You can post to the forums. You can read about updates in the world of library science. You can use modules to figure out how to do things like declare the library technician major. You can see what courses are coming up and how far along in the program you are. You can transfer credits from other institutions. And you can graduate and see what's beyond the technician program. So consider this library technician shell as a helpful area for you to get more information, contact other professors, and interact with students. Now I'd like to show you how to navigate a Canvas course. This is an old course in the library technician program, Library 204. It doesn't exist anymore, so we'll be using it as an example. I used to teach this class. So you'll see that I organized the class by weeks, and each week is a module. Within the module, you'll have different things that you can click on, and different professors might organize their classes differently, which makes sense. So make sure that you have an open mind when you're approaching the class, and take a minute to figure out how the professor is organizing things. For instance, it's pretty obvious that this professor would like you to start with the reading, and then move on to the lecture videos. And these are all links that take you into the multimedia. So clicking on Week 1 Reading takes you into the PDF version of that document. In Canvas, you can scroll down to the bottom of a page and click Next to move on to the next item. And then after that, I start moving into the assignments. This is a discussion post. You can see that it's called a discussion up top. And here's the assignment. This professor is asking us to read the linked blog post that you can find when you click on the link, and then to answer these two questions in a discussion. Discussion posts work by clicking Reply. When you click Reply, it takes you into a composition frame, and then from here you can start typing your answer. Double check it for grammatical errors, and then go ahead and press Post Reply. This posts your reply into the dashboard, and you can see, along with all the other students, what they have posted, and engage with them by clicking Reply to any of the posts that you're interested in engaging with. Clicking on the name of the class can take you back to the home page at any time. I'll open up week 4 in order to show you what a quiz in Canvas might look like. Quizzes should be labeled as a type of assignment, and you can also tell that they're a quiz when they have a little rocket ship next to them. Alternatively, discussions have little text bubbles around them. Quizzes look like this. There's lots of different kinds of questions in quizzes. These are matching questions. There's multiple choice quizzes. There's fill in the blanks. So it's definitely a good idea to take a look at what kind of question your teacher is asking of you and to fill it out completely. At the end of quizzes, make sure to hit Submit Quiz in order to submit your results. When you click into assignments, you'll see things like the description of the task and any links that the professor has included to help you out. And then you'll see maybe a rubric, which will help you understand how the professor is going to grade your assignment. In order to submit your assignment, you'll use the Submit button in the top right corner, and then this box opens up towards the middle of the page. Look at how your professor wants you to complete the assignment. Do they want you to upload a file like a PowerPoint or a PDF or a Word document? If that's the case, go ahead and use the Upload field to upload the document. If you find that you have any questions and you need to get in touch with your professor, you can use the inbox in order to communicate with your professor. Your inbox is on the far left-hand side of the Canvas shell, and it takes you into a composition area where you can talk to different people. Up in the top right corner, you'll click Compose New Message, begin to type in their name, and they'll show up. This is a good way to communicate with professors and other students in Canvas on a one-to-one basis. Okay, I hope that this has helped you understand that we're going to be using Canvas throughout the entire program, that you can always reach out to your professor or me if you have any questions about Canvas. And we're excited that you're here in the program with us. So let's get started.